Okay, so I've set this up in the doer's shop, and what you see over here is the bilge filter. So bilge water goes in there, will flow through a matrix of stuff. So the first thing that it goes through is a cheesecloth, then a layer of a very small layer of gravel, and then sand, and then more gravel, more sand, a layer of charcoal, and then down here someplace is what's it called? Coconut mat, and then some just cotton fabric. And then that will go through a perforated bottom and drip down into here, and then out that spigot and into a bucket. So what will come out hopefully is relatively clean water, and all the schmutz will get stuck up here. Some of the chemicals, a lot of the oil and that sort of thing should get stuck in here. This will go into the landfill, and this we can throw down. This clean water, cleanish water, will be able to be thrown down the toilet. So I haven't tried this yet. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know if the seal on this will work, but we'll see. This is the first try. Here it goes. Seems to be working. So there you have it. It seems to work. It seems to work. It's dripping. It's pouring through. And if that was dirty water, hopefully the worst of it would get caught up in the matrix of the sediments that are in the bucket on the top. And then I'll feel better about throwing away bilge water. There it is. There it is. I think if I were to do this again, I'd probably make the filtration bucket as big as the bucket on the bottom, and fill it up maybe 3/4 of the way, so that you could actually pour in quite a lot of liquid all at once. Because the way that I've got it now, we'll have to pour liquid a bit at a time, because it'll get caught up at the top and overflow. But hey, first time. A kind of homemade biofilter for the boat. She's a keeper.